Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to play multiplayer on Monster Hunter Wilds and how to play with your friends. So first of all, you both want to go ahead and start a game. After you both done that, you want to go ahead and create a private lobby, and you want to stay in the main camp. Now after that, you want to go to options and communication tab, and after that you want to go to link party and view link members or view party members. And after that, you will be able, in the right corner here, you will see your lobby ID on the right side. Now, your friend goes to the main menu and starts the game using by lobby search and lobby ID search. And after that, he can go ahead and search for a lobby ID and enter your ID and join you. You will both see each other in the main camp. So now you want to go and link the link party. So you want to go to the lobby, and you want to again go to the communications tab, then link party, and then invite to link party. And you want to invite that person who joined you. And now your friend wants again also go to communication tab, and he will see this invitation which he needs to accept. After your friend is in your link party, you want to go again to the communications tab, link party, and you want to invite your friend to environmental link, this one. And your friend now can go again to lobby, link party, go again to communication, and he will again see some kind of invitation, and he needs to go ahead and accept the invite. After your friend accepts the invite, you will both be here on the players list on this lobby specific. There will be a loading screen cutscene where you are being taken to the main camp, and then you are both in the same instance. So after that, you can go ahead and play together and free roam and do quests, and that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.